Chrome nails are back and they're so easy to achieve at home. I'm going to show you exactly how in just a few simple steps. Hi, welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a good day so far. I'm going to get started by applying these gel extensions to my natural nails. If you're going to be using extensions, make sure you select the size that appropriately fits your nails. The extension should fully cover the nail and fit from sidewall to sidewall to prevent it from popping off. We're going to prep our natural nail so that the extensions last for at least 2 weeks. The first step in prep is going to be applying a dehydrator, which is going to remove all the natural oils from the nails. Next, we're going to apply primer. Keep in mind that primer is an adhesive, so it will dry down sticky. Think of primer as double-sided tape for your nails. The last step of our prep is to apply gel glue to your natural nails. It is important to note that gel products can cause reactions if left on the skin. Remove any gel glue from your skin immediately with acetone or rubbing alcohol if needed. We're now going to cure in a UV lamp for 60 seconds, and then we'll be ready to apply the extensions. Using the same nail glue as before, place a generous amount of glue inside the extension. Firmly press down until the glue makes its way to the top of the nail, then flash cure under a gooseneck lamp for 15 seconds. After the extensions are applied to each of the nails, cure again in a UV lamp. Using a buffing block, remove the shine from the extensions. This is going to prevent the gel polish from chipping once it is applied. Since this takes a bit of time, I'm going to speed this up by using an e-file. Before moving to polish, we're going to remove all the dust from the nail. You can use a big fluffy brush or even an alcohol pad for this step. Now we're prepped and ready for polish. We're going to start off by applying a black gel polish to the nail. This is going to serve as a base so that once the chrome powder is applied, it will pop and be vibrant. After the polish has been cured, we're going to go in with a no wipe top coat so that the chrome powder can adhere to it. Now it's finally time for the star of the show. Taking an applicator brush, apply the chrome powder to the nail by using up and down motions until you get your desired effect. If you get any chrome powder on the skin, you can easily remove it by using alcohol. The last step is to apply a glossy top coat of your choice. I love this one from the brand Koopa. Cure for 60 seconds, and now you're ready to go. Here's the final look. This is so easy to do at home, and I highly recommend you give it a try. If you do, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.